Alright guys, my name is David Omishakin, and in this video I will be showing you how you can create a simple design for yourself just to cruise around with it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to your WhatsApp. Okay, once you get this camera, this camera. Okay, the next thing I'm going to use my index finger to cover the camera. Okay, I think this background is good. I think this one is good. Yeah, okay, let me snap the picture. Snap. Okay, cool. This one is good. Okay, the next thing you want to do is just click on text and you can just write, let me write YouTube. Okay, I think this one is good. This one is good. Okay, if you want to change the color, just scroll from here. I think this one will be nice. YouTube. Okay, let me reduce it. Let me just bring it like this. YouTube. Let me add emoji for you to know you can actually add anything you want to add. Okay. Let me add. Oh, this one already. This one already nice. These are not nice. Let me add this. Let me add this tag. Okay. Let me add this tag to it. Okay, so let me add another text. David. Okay, can you see David? I think this one is making sense. Let me shift it something here. Okay, let me add some things to it. Okay, let me just add some things to it. Oh, very good. I think it's making sense actually. It's actually making sense. Alright, let me add this to it and let me put some text inside. I am doing a YouTube video. Okay, cool. I think this is cool. Cool. Okay, let me change it to blue. Okay, can you see? I am doing a YouTube. I think these are all design. You can make anything for yourself. Okay, kindly comment in the comment box if you have any issue creating this one. And if you like the video, kindly hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching my video. You're welcome.